to it. So this is what my mac and cheese looks like so far. I'm not done yet. See how creamy it is. Yeah, I still have to bake it. So I'm gonna top it up with some more bacon bits. Put some bacon bits on top of it. Bacon. This is just bacon. Nice yummy bacon. Instead of using ham, I'm using bacon today. I'll save half for later. Who knows? I don't want to over bacon and stuff. And we're going to top it up with some more cheese. Oh, my muffins are done. Honey flavored, so it's nice and golden. It's not burnt, it's nice and golden because it's honey flavored. Okay. Save a little bit of cheese. Who knows when you might need it for. Let's do a little bit of bacon in here. Okay, it's ready to go in the oven. That's it. We're gonna bake it for about 20 minutes or so. That's it. 20 or 30 minutes. Auntie, can you please wait? I'm almost done. Let me put this in here. I'm almost done. Just hold on. I'll clear this area so you can do what you have to do. I know you're hungry. Let me get my stuff out the way. Yeah, it's just to show that it's not burned. See, it's not burned. It's honey flavored English muffin. That's what it looks like, that. Got the inside. Oh, lemon. Alright, come and do what you have to do. So I can come fry my fish. Go do what you have to do. Can you come warm your food? Because I want to go over there. Oh God, that's really good. That muffin is so good and tender. Oh no. Yeah, she's very hungry. But I had some stuff around there that I was doing. Kind of cleaned up after myself as I go.